Hey everyone, Dan here. Wanted to do a quick video on the jackhammer attachment for the Bruder Excavator. I made this a while back. There was some construction in the neighborhood and my son was fascinated with the big jackhammer out on the end of the excavator boom. So I decided to make one for his excavator, and now you can have one too. These are up on the Etsy page, and they're pretty cool. It's got a spring-loaded breaker bit attachment, and you can simulate jackhammering. And today I'll show you what goes into making one of these, and how I designed it. Okay, so all the parts for this jackhammer are either 3D printed or a spring. So there's three main parts. There's this housing, which attaches the same way that the Bruder scoop attaches. I replicated that attachment feature, and you can, when you're working with your excavator, there's just this little tab here, and you can slide the part off, just like that. So then you slide her back on, and it snaps in place. So these parts, this part prints with this face down, so there is some support material in there, and basically get that out. Just use a screwdriver and pop it out. There we go. So it's this plug, and you can see the plug has geometry to support some of the features on the inside that would otherwise droop as you were printing. So you take this plug out, and then this is the part right here, this collar, and that also has some support material. So when it comes off the printer, I come in with some pliers and take the support material off, just like that. There you go. And you can see that I've designed threads into this part, and there are mating threads in this part. And then the breaker bit is the real business end of this thing. That also has some support material that I clean up for each of these. So just pop it off. And now that we've taken all that support material away, we can assemble. So we take a housing, stand it up, drop the spring in, line up the breaker bit. You can see there's a kind of a clocking square feature in there. Yeah, there we go. You can see it a little better. So we'll line this up. There we go. At first they're a little tight, so we'll loosen it up a little bit. I want it to be kind of tight, and as it wears, it'll get to be just right. All right, and then we take this collar, put it over the bit, start it down by hand, keep that bit aligned. And then for my purposes, I also designed a little tool to help tighten. So you just tighten this guy down, keep that bit down. There we go. So that tightens home. And there we go. Ready to go on Etsy. Buy yours today. There's two colors. There's a red collar and a yellow collar. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what kinds of other tools and attachments you'd be interested in for Bruder trucks. We've got a bunch here, and I obviously like doing this stuff. All right, have fun.